In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a follow-up email in Mailchimp. If you've already sent a campaign and want to reach the people who didn't open it the first time, a manual follow-up is a simple and effective way to do that. We'll walk through the process step by step, using your original campaign as a template, and then targeting only the subscribers who didn't open that email. First, from your Mailchimp dashboard, go to the Campaigns section, then choose All Campaigns. This is where you'll see a list of every campaign you've sent or drafted. Find the campaign you want to follow up on. On the right side of that campaign's row, look for the small drop-down arrow. Click it and then choose Replicate. This creates an exact copy of your original campaign, which saves you a lot of time because you don't have to rebuild the email from scratch. Now that you've replicated the campaign, you'll want to adjust who receives it. In the To section of the campaign builder, click Edit Recipients. Here, you're going to narrow down your audience so that the follow-up only goes to people who did not open the first email. In the audience settings, choose Segment or Tag, and then select New Segment. This lets you build a segment based on how subscribers interacted with your previous email. For the first condition, choose Campaign Activity, then set it to Did Not Open, and from the drop-down, select your original campaign. This tells Mailchimp to include only those contacts who were sent that campaign but never opened it. Once that condition is set, click Review Segment to double-check that everything looks correct. You should see an estimated number of recipients that match those non-openers. If it looks right, click Save. Your follow-up campaign is now targeted at exactly the right people. Next, move to the Subject section and click Edit Subject. Since this is a follow-up, it's a good idea to tweak the subject line so it feels fresh and gives people a new reason to open the email. You might adjust the wording, highlight a key benefit, or make the message a bit clearer or more engaging than before. When you're happy with the new subject line, save your changes. Finally, review your campaign details one last time: the recipients, the subject, and the content. When everything looks good, click Send. Mailchimp will now send this follow-up email just to the subscribers who didn't open your original campaign, giving you another chance to reach them without bothering those who already engaged.